Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft windows in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and get some logs so you can get them by punching down trees. And once you get your logs, what I want you to do is actually first craft a workbench. So I want you to press tab on your keyboard, and I want you to click here to get a workbench. And you just need 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Craft this up, and then I want you to come here and press F to access the workbench, and then here I want you to click on this icon to open the crafting menu, and then here you'll actually see builder's workbench. Now to craft a builder's workbench you just need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Go ahead and craft this up, and then I want you to come here and open the builder's workbench. Press F, and here under input you need to put in any type of log. I'll go ahead and go with the oak log. I'll put it in here, and as you can see right here we have a simple wooden window. I'll just come here and click on craft, and there we go, we have our windows. I'll go ahead and use this just to show you. So I'll come here, press the number 2 to access that, and let's place our window right here, and as you can see we can actually see inside. And that is how to craft windows in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.